Greetings, everyone. It's AlgoTrade, the best free binary option signal bot. Today we have a $5,000. Let's test our bot with big trades. We trade a USD/CHF pair in 1 minute. The first signal we have is call. We want remind that we have made a big update to the bot. We added support for Russian language. Also we added review inside the bot itself. We update reviews and added new. Also, if you want to add a review on the bot, write to the manager in the bot header. You can write in any language. We easily took the profit. The second signal we have is put signal. The second signal is successful. The third signal we have is also put signal. We have huge downside candle, great. Last signal is call signal. Four out of 4 signals are successful. We made $2,000 under 5 minutes. It is great, isn't it? See you next week. Ask questions in the comments and go to the bot before it becomes paid. Good luck to all.